Hello and welcome to this micro course on effective meetings and workshops. In today's busy working world, meetings are everywhere, yet too often they feel unproductive, too long, or unclear. That's a problem when time is money. Over the next 10 minutes, you'll learn actionable strategies to make your meetings and workshops more focused, engaging, and productive. By the end of this micro course, you'll feel confident in planning and leading sessions that deliver real value every time. Let's start with some eye-opening statistics. 54% of professionals attend more virtual meetings. 24 billion hours are wasted annually in meetings. And $37 billion is lost to unproductive meetings. Clearly, unproductive meetings aren't just frustrating, they're expensive. So let's explore how to make yours count. Let's start with the basics, the definition. What does an effective meeting look like? An effective meeting is one that achieves its objectives efficiently. It encourages participation, ends with clear actions, and builds collaboration. Imagine a meeting where everyone's engaged, time is used wisely, and the team walks away knowing exactly what to do next. That's the outcome we're aiming for. Let's dive into the practical part of the course. You'll discover 3 core strategies, each with actionable steps you can apply straight away. Starting with strategy 1, plan with purpose. The best meetings begin before anyone joins the call. Here are some action points to consider. 1. Set objectives. Define the meeting purpose clearly and share it in advance. This helps attendees prepare and stay aligned throughout the session. 2. Create a structured agenda. Send a clear, time-boxed agenda beforehand. Include discussion points, speaker roles, and expected outcomes for each item. And 3. Invite the right people. Ensure only essential participants are included. Respect everyone's time by focusing on who truly needs to contribute. For example, healthcare provider Cross River Therapy found that structuring meetings around objectives reduced wasted time and improved outcomes for 83% of staff. Next up, strategy 2, run meetings that engage. A well-run meeting isn't just efficient, it's energizing. Here are some action points to consider. 1. Use interactive elements. Icebreakers, polls, or breakout rooms can improve engagement. These build community and help participants feel more invested. 2. Facilitate well. Keep things on track by encouraging input while managing time and energy. Use techniques like parking lot boards for off-topic ideas. And 3. Follow meeting etiquette. Start and end on time. Acknowledge all contributions and maintain a respectful tone. Set clear expectations for participation. For example, tech company Atlassian's meeting guide helped reduce internal meeting time by 30% through stronger facilitation and etiquette. And lastly, strategy 3, optimize remote and hybrid setups. Remote and hybrid meetings can be just as effective as in-person with the right setup. Here are some action points to consider. 1. Tailor format to fit. Use synchronous meetings for collaboration and asynchronous tools for updates. Choose the right format based on team availability and goals. 2. Tool up for success. Use video calls, screen sharing, whiteboards, and document tools to ensure everyone can participate fully wherever they are. And 3. Foster inclusion remotely. Give equal speaking time, encourage cameras on, and make space for all voices. Follow up with resources and action items. For example, SaaS company HubSpot used remote breakout rooms and async collaboration tools to boost participation in global team workshops. During this micro course, we've covered how to run meetings that are structured, engaging, and inclusive. When implemented well, these strategies help you save time, energize your team, and achieve results. Remember, you set the tone for every meeting. Your approach can turn a routine catch-up into a powerful moment of alignment and action. Ready to put your knowledge into practice? Here's your exercise. Reflect on your next scheduled meeting. Ask yourself, 1. Have I set a clear, measurable objective? And 2, how will I facilitate discussion and focus? Write down one concrete tactic you'll apply to improve outcomes at your next meeting. By applying these strategies, you'll lead meetings and workshops that matter, not just in the moment, but in the results that follow. Structured, focused, and inclusive sessions create stronger collaboration and better outcomes for your team. Congratulations on completing this micro-learning course on effective meetings and workshops. We hope you found the content insightful and actionable. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to seeing you on the next course.